Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to remove my makeup with you and I'm going to show you what products do I use. First of all, I'm going to be using the eye makeup remover, which is this one, and always you have to shake it before you use it. Shake it very well. You don't need a lot of amount. I'm going to use this cotton and I'm going to apply here. Okay, and then we are going to just I do not like to rub my eyes a lot, so I just always take my time in this step. Okay friends, so I use one of the cotton for each eye, and as you see, I really like it. This product, if it is oil free, so I really like that. It's great. And next step, we are going to cleanse our skin or our face. Put a little water on my face, and I am going to use the Timewise Repair foaming cleanser. Is this one over here. I really like it. And I'm going to use my face brush. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit over my face. And I really, this step won't take you long. It's just 1 minute and it stops itself. So. It's so good. I really can feel my skin being clean. Wow, so nice. So nice for our skin to remove all this makeup deeply. I love this brush. Let's rinse off my skin with cold water, and I am just going to dry it like this. And I want to show you, look at this. So it really cleans your skin very well. So that's what I really like this brush. It's an investment, but you know, I think your skin really should be taken care the way it should be. And you just should change the brush. It's like it comes out like this, and then after 3 or 4 months you can replace just this, but you still have this part of the brush, and this one recharge just like a cell phone. You see, it's really convenient. I haven't charged like in weeks and still works perfect fine. And then additional, you can add the other head. This is for massage, like if you want to apply serums, oils, something to help help the product to act better in your skin. So this is really great. Let's rinse off my brush, and it's so easy. Look, it's already clean and ready for my next use. So it's really convenient, easy to clean, easy to use. It's perfect. So today I'm going to use an additional how can I say, an additional treatment to my face than the regular, and it is the peeling, which is this product. You can use this once or twice a week, and it's like a peeling effect, but because you cannot put it around your eyes, I am going to use my Hydrogel Eye Patches that I always use. I love them. They are so good. I showed you this product before. I really like it. And you can keep it in your refrigerator. So it is even better how it feels in your skin. Ah, so nice. Especially like after you wear makeup. Well, I told you I don't wear makeup in a regular basis, so my skin feels so nice and so good. It's just absolutely awesome. Okay, so I am going to apply now the peeling. Okay, and it's like a little, like a lotion. You don't feel anything. It's really soft with your skin, but once you apply and wait 10 minutes and then you rinse off your skin, it feels so nice. Your skin feels absolutely so soft. So I'm just going to do this, as you can see, all around my face. And this product has to be on your skin for 10 minutes. So it's perfect for me to wear the Hydrogel Eye Patches, and also what I like to do when I'm with the peeling is take care of my lips. So 1 second. I just want to apply. Okay, that's it. Okay friends, when I'm waiting the 10 minutes, I'm going to use the Satin Lips set. This is amazing, especially now in winter. We really need to take care of our lips, and plus we are wearing the mask. So this set comes with a scrub, she sugar scrub, and the balm. So I'm going to apply first this one. I really like it. I use it twice a week. It's so good. Many times we do not take care of our lips, or we forgot about the lips because we focus on the face. But the lips are also important. Then I'm going to rinse off everything, my face. I'm going to remove this and I'll be right back. Hola, hola. Ok amigos, ya me enjuagué. Oh, se siente súper bien. It feels so good. It really does. I mean, it is amazing. Really, really. I think my skin even talks to me and say thank you. I really feel my skin clean and so soft. I don't know, you can see, well, I have a lot of, you know, wrinkles and freckles and spots, but still you can see my face look more radiant and it's luminous. It looks good. Okay, then I'm going to apply my lip balm. Yes, a little bit. I really love this before bed. And then I'm just going to continue with my skin routine, which in my case, it would be the next step. The next step in my case is the lifting serum, is this one. And then I'm going to apply the nighttime cream. And then I'm going to finish with the under eye cream. Okay, so I'm going to do it really quick so the video doesn't go long, because I know you guys have more things to do. So again, I use the same and it feels so nice. Now when you purchase this product, in the box it will explain the way to use and very detailed how to do it, you know, but basically what it is you have to do it all the way up always and to the side, no down. That really helps the product to work much better, especially when it's like serums or lifting serums, you know, because at a certain age we lost volume in our face, so this helps a little bit. And I like to do my neck too. Oops, I'm going to do it again because this one is 2 minutes. So the brush when you are removing your makeup or just cleaning your face is 1 minute, but if you are doing serum oils, it's 2 minutes. Ah, feels nice. Ah, can you tell? My skin is happy. Now we're going to put the nighttime cream. Okay, you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot, so just avoid under your eyes, and again just circle and up my nose. And the last, oops, is the under eye cream. I like that it has this little metal part, you know, you see, because it feels cold, and it also is an applicator, so you don't use your finger. Ah, feels so nice. And take your time here. That's it, friends. That's it for today. I'm ready for bed. I'm just going to probably take my shower, put my pajamas on, and go into my bed. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, I use the Timewise Repair skincare. And today I use additional product, which it was the Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. I use the Hydrogel Patches, Eye Patches, and I use the Satin Lips set. So those 3 additional tools or products I use today for improve my skin condition. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.